Sir, it's 11:30 a.m. We are now live. Please start the meeting proceedings.
Okay. Yes, sir. Good morning, everybody. I am Arun Agarwal, Company Secretary of Swan Energy Limited. I have taken the roll call and hereby confirm that requisite number of shareholders required to comply with Section 103 of the Companies Act 2013 pertaining to quorum are present. Accordingly, I request Chairman Sir to kindly chair the annual general meeting and take the proceedings further.
Ladies and gentlemen, at the outset, I wish and pray for everybody to be healthy and safe. I welcome my colleague director, Mr. Nikhil Merchant, Mr. Paresh Merchant, Mr. Pitambar Tekchandani, who are present with me here. I welcome my colleague directors, Mr. Shobhan Devanji, Mr. Rajat Kumar Das Gupta, Mr. Sugavanam, and Mr. R.K. Sukhdev Singh ji have joined through online video. I now welcome all my dear and respected shareholders with privilege and pleasure at the 113th annual general meeting of the company through video conferencing on NSDL platform. As informed by the company secretary, since the requisite quorum is present, I now call the meeting to order. I hereby announce that the company has received board resolutions under section 113 of Companies Act 2013 from 10 corporate members holding 15 crores 84 lakhs 13,500 equity shares, which is 64.86% of the company's total equity share capital, authorizing their respective representatives to attend the meeting. I now turn to the business of the meeting. Notice. I now request the shareholders to permit me to take the notice dated 21st August 2021 along with explanatory statement containing agenda item numbers from 1 to 5 as read. Auditor's report. I further request the shareholders to permit me to take the reports of independent auditor Messrs. N. Jambusaria and Company Chartered Accountant along with annexures on the standalone and consolidated financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2021 as read. I now request Mr. Nikhil Merchant, Managing Director, to deliver his speech.
Dear shareholders, the year 2021 has been challenging for each one of us. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant impact on the lives, livelihoods, and the business operations and business. Operational challenges mounted due to restricted movement and disrupted supply lines during the first few months of the pandemic. As of the second wave of the pandemic unfolds, with predictions of a third wave in the offing, our focus continues to be on our people's health, safety, ensuring continued care for the communities in which we operate, and of course, protecting our business model. The relentless commitment and dedication of every member of the Swan family helped the business overcome many challenges in the past year. Triumph Offshore, a subsidiary of Swan, successfully took delivery of the FSRU Vasant 1 on 29th of September 2020. Post-delivery, the FSRU has been deployed on charter with Hong Kong-based CNTIC V-Power for the interim period until the port construction is completed for the Swan LNG project. As expected, the financial year 21 was challenging year for our textile unit. There was a sharp reduction in the demand across all markets, especially in the early part of the year. The expansion project was delayed due to the pandemic, but we foresee completion by the third quarter of 22. Although we are not yet free from the uncertainties resulting from the pandemic, we foresee a spurt in demand in the near future as pipelines are running low on the inventory. As always, we will continue to keep a close watch on both the opportunities and the potential risks and take a balanced approach going forward. The realty division continued to receive rental income from the properties based in Bangalore and Hyderabad. The ongoing development of the ultra-luxury residential project in Bangalore's Yeshwantpur area, has faced delays due to the pandemic, and expected completion is now June 23. Despite best efforts from our frontline health workers, we have experienced grave losses throughout our country and the rest of the world. Our thoughts go out to all the families, friends, and indeed to all those whose lives have been impacted. The pandemic tested us in unprecedented ways. It tested the resilience of our business, character of our people, agility of our operations, and the depth of our financial strength. It has made us a more resilient business that is better prepared for the vagaries of this fast-changing world. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all our people who have been tirelessly working to ensure that we continue to march forward during this extremely challenging year. Most importantly, I would like to thank you, our shareholders, for your overwhelming trust, support, and confidence in Swan Energy Limited. Thank you.
I wish to inform the members that as prescribed under the Companies Act 2013, your company had provided e-voting facility to all the members on the platform of NSDL for a period of 4 days from Saturday 11 September 2021 to Tuesday 14 September 2021. Further, those members who have not cast their votes through e-voting and are present online can cast their votes during the continuation of the AGM through e-voting facility and also till 15 minutes after conclusion of the AGM. Now, before taking up the agenda items, I request Mr. Sugavanam, Executive Director, to brief the shareholders with updates on FSRU project being undertaken through two subsidiary companies, Swan LNG and Triumph Offshore.
Thank you, Chairman, and my dear shareholders. It is a happy occasion for us. As MD pointed out, we have taken the FSRU delivery in September, and after that it has been doing voyages, and that has proved that it is able to sail and deliver the LNG. After that, now the FSRU has been leased out to Tema LNG in Ghana, where it is going to work as a storage unit for the LNG plant which is coming into operation. As regards the port side, we had a difficulty of two cyclones, one by one, followed by one last 2 years, which has put us a little back. How with all the efforts of all the site and our office, we are able to bring it back. And as far as jetty is concerned, jetty is ready. Top side is ready almost. Now we have to complete only probably the breakwater as well as the dredging, which need to be completed for the ships to come in. The FSRU will complete its charter by February 22, and it will be reaching before March our port side, and we expect the entire facility to be commissioned in by March 22. After March 22, in April onwards, we will be able to commission. As far as the off-takers are concerned, they are still with us, and they have confirmed their faith in the Swan project, and they continue to underwrite the 90% of the capacity, which they have done already, and they are with us, and the extensions have been sought for, and they have already given those extensions. This is in short the project of both TOPL as well as the SLPL. Thank you very much.
The company has received requests from few shareholders to speak at the AGM. I kindly request shareholders not to take more than 3 minutes each and speak to the point. I request Company Secretary to take up now.
I request moderator Mr. Ankur to now allow shareholders to.
Shareholder number 1, Celestine Mascarenas. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Sir?
yes, madam.
You can
Yes,
hear me?
yes, we can hear.
Okay, very fine, very fine. Yes, thank you. Just 1 minute, I'll just settle myself. Wait, just 1 second. Respected Chairman, Mr. Naveen Bhai C. Dave, other honorable directors, my fellow shareholders attending this virtual meet. My name is Mrs. Celestine Elizabeth Mascarenas. I am attending from Mumbai. First of all, I am very proud to be the shareholder of this prestigious company, which is 113 years, a company which was there before I was born also. Great, I'm very, very happy, I'm very proud. Now, first of all, I thank the company secretary and his team. I thank the company secretary, Mr. Arun Agarwal, and his team for sending me e-annual report and the notice, and also registering me as a speaker to express my views and queries. Also, thanks to this Zoom platform where I can speak. Also, my photo can be seen. Next is the annual report. Very simple, but very informative, self-explanatory. Working is good in spite of COVID. Standalone is not that working, that okay. No, standalone is okay, but the consolidated is not that well. Even then, we are in the dividend list. That is 10%. That is 10 paisa on par value of the share. Rupee 1 is very good. We are in the dividend list, and when we are in the dividend list, some big investors with deep pockets will definitely get interest, invest, and our company will be going ahead still further and further. I also appreciate the CSR work done given on page 44 of the annual report. Next, my queries and my insights. Sir, how many people were affected by COVID 1 and 2? How many recovered? How many fatalities? And what is the vaccination level? Next is, when will the LNG port project will be completed, and which year it will contribute to our revenues, that is revenue generating? My third question, we have taken the delivery of FSRU, floating storage and regasification unit, which is on charter hire up to 28, which was on charter hire up to 28 to 21. How much revenue we earned by by putting it on charter, and thereby how much margins we got from this activity? TOPL is owned by FSRU, and it is a long-term lease of 20 years. Have the lease rent already started? We have to pay, or when it will be starting? Next is, what is the total land bank we are owning? Any monetization of this additional land bank, if you have identified, please throw light. Lastly, but not the least, future roadmap for the next 3 years with capex in focus and funding the same, and keeping the COVID protocol and the lessons we have learned from COVID 1 and 2. I support all the resolutions. I wish my company, I wish you all very good health and long life, and may our Swan means very quick, may our Swan energy grow in strength to strength. With this, thank you for giving me this occasion to speak. Thanks to all once again.
Mr. Ankur.
Speaker shareholder number 2, Miss Preeti Seth. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, can you hear me? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, you can hear you. But
Yeah, we can hear.
no?
Sorry?
The shareholder's name is Preeti Seth.
So I am Preeti Shet's son, and I think she had accordingly emailed also that my son will be there.
You are also shareholder?
No, I am not shareholder.
I think only shareholder is allowed.
So I think she had emailed that my son will ask the questions,
But that
but
then
no
it's okay,
reply
there is
was.
no problem, my dear. But as per the company act, no, only shareholders are allowed to speak at the meeting. If she is not there, then no problem. Then you can just mute yourself, I think.
Sure, so I can ask questions, right? Thank
No,
you for.
no. Yeah, no.
No, but
Only
then,
shareholders
but then actually, sir, you should
no,
have
no,
replied.
my humble suggestion will be, if you have questions, no, you can email me the questions and we will
Sir, I
send
have
you all.
already emailed those questions since July, but no response has
We
been
will,
received.
we will give you a reply within 2 days from today. That you don't, I assure you for that. Because this
Sure.
is as per company act in the meetings, no, you will also appreciate only shareholders are allowed to speak as a speaker. Their anyway proxy have no, not there, and even their authorized persons are not allowed. So please don't mind.
Speaker shareholder number 3, Tushar Soda. Please unmute yourself.
Morning to all. Am I clearly audible?
Yeah, you are audible, sir.
Thank you. The very respected chairman, sir, eminent board of directors and fellow shareholders. My name is Tushar Soda. I acknowledge the receipt of annual report as well as the notice for the AGM through email and thank our efficient secretarial department for timely service of the financial statements. As broadly expected, financial results for 2021 were not up to the mark, largely due to the COVID impact. Many congratulations for successfully taking delivery of Vasant 1 FSRU in September 2020. For the interim period, FSRU has been deployed on charter. Sir, you have already covered the port construction area, so I won't be repeating that question of mine. Company had achieved overall progress of 59% till 31st of March. I think the total commissioning of the first ever FSRU will be by March 2022 has been covered. What financial advantages will Swan LNG enjoy since we have the first mover advantage? So what was the extent of damage due to the extreme cyclone on 17th of May 2021 at Jafrabad? Have we quantified the loss in terms of cost as well as the loss in terms of time? What amount is expected to be recovered from the insurance companies? Are there any expansion plans of the realty division of our company? When can we, the shareholders, expect increase in dividend from 10%, which has been stagnant since under management discussion and analysis? It has been very accurately informed on page 24 that once commissioned, LNG port terminal is likely to outperform all other sectors. So, I request you to kindly share maximum details about the reversal of fortunes of Swan after the commissioning of FSRU project. Regarding rupees 1,600 crores corporate guarantee by Swan Energy to Hyundai, what could be the potential risk or threat to our company? Total borrowings have increased to 2,000 crores from only 185 crores of last year. Correspondingly, finance costs have also gone up to 108 crores, which is double that of last year. Due to both depreciation amortization expenses as well as the finance costs, our company has reported losses of 78 crores. I request for your kind comments on the same. Sir, please give some details about monetization of land parcels at Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mysore and Chennai. What are the revenue targets from these land holdings? Are there any proposals for selling off our textile division? Company is exploring to enter desinking and mining business through Swan Desinking Private Limited and another new venture of oil and gas through Swan Global Pte Limited. Kindly share some more details for both the new ventures. I am confident and convinced of huge reversal of fortunes of our company after the FSRU commissioning. I reiterate my trust, support, and confidence in Swan Energy and extend my wholehearted and continued strong backing to our company. Thank you so much, Chairman Sir, for giving me this opportunity to put forth my queries and express my views. Thank you, sir.
Sir, Speaker Shareholder number 4, Miss Lekha Sai is not present in the meeting. Shall we move ahead with the Speaker Shareholder number 5?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Speaker Shareholder number 5, Mr. Rajendra Prasad Joshi, please unmute yourself.
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes. Okay, sir. 1 minute. I will put on the camera also possible.
No, go ahead without camera also if it is not there. You can go ahead, Mr. Joshi. Mr. Joshi, you can continue even without camera. We can hear you. Hello. Yeah, Mr. Joshi.
You are on mute. Unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself, Mr. Joshi.
Mr. Joshi? Mr. Joshi, please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah, you can go ahead, Mr. Joshi. No, don't worry about camera. We can hear you. Hello.
Mr. Joshi, try immediately. Start.
Yeah, please start to work.
Please go ahead.
Sir,
Don't
shall we go ahead to the next
Hello,
Speaker
hello.
Shareholder?
Hello.
Please
Hello.
do that.
Hello. Can you hear me now? Hello. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear.
you. We can hear you. Please.
Okay. Respected Chairman, sir. Naveen Bhai Dave, sir. Our MD Nikhil Merchant, sir. Other dignified directors present in the meeting. Our company secretary Arun Agarwal. Good morning to all of you, sir. Sir, myself Rajendra Prasad Joshi speaking from my residence in Mumbai. Sir, at the outset, I sincerely admired the investor services rendered by our CS Arun Agarwal. As usual, I received the annual report well on time. Sri Arun Agarwal is very helpful to shareholders in every matter. I thank him for extending excellent services. Sir, so far our company is concerned, all the three sectors, that is real estate, textile and construction, were worst impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic crisis and lockdown. This was a universal problem and our company cannot be exemption to it. So sir, do not worry, bad times come and go. So we are all time in support of our company, all in its ups and downs. Sir, we are fully confident that honesty and integrity of our company's management will bring about turnaround soon. Sir, the greatness and generosity of our management lies in the fact that despite losses of rupees 68 crores, company declared 10% dividend as investor-friendly measure. Sir, we are very thankful to you for this step. My compliments to management that company spent 36.01 lakhs on CSR over and above its obligation of rupee 27.96 lakhs. This is 8% more than what was required. Sir, good work done. Please keep it up. Sir, only four questions are there. 3 questions. Sir, what is our target in terms of turnover in the next 2-3 years? Second question is, are we looking geographic expansion for our business operations? And third is, which are new projects in hand in real estate and construction business, and what is its volume in terms of the value? Sir, with this, I wish all the best for the progress of the company, and also I strongly support all the resolutions. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Ankur.
Speaker Shareholder number 6, Mr. Bharatraj Kankanala, please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes,
Chairman,
go
I'm
ahead.
audible.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
you
can
can.
hear you.
So, very good morning, Mr. Chairman and entire Board of Directors. First of all, I am happy to see you all safe, healthy, and fine. I thank Mr. Arun, Company Secretary, for arranging very good, wonderful video conference. Sir, I believe the leadership of Mr. Nikhil, our MD, you're making our company into diversified in energy, textile, real estate, mining, and oil gas. Sir, regarding this oil gas, when we can expect the future, sir? When we can expect the returns on this oil and gas, sir? Sir, we are always support the management, and we are always with you, sir, Mr. Chairman, and we support you once again. All the best for the coming years, sir. Take care, sir. Be safe and be healthy, sir. God bless you all. I'm calling from Hyderabad, Bharat Raj.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sir, speaker shareholder number 7, Mr. Dimnesh Kotecha is not present in the meeting.
Okay, then you can go further.
So go on the next.
Number 8, unmute yourself.
Dr.
Okay.
Kamal Gupta.
Yeah. Good morning, Chairman Sir, and all directors and fellow shareholders. While I'll congratulate your team for the work, and I have only 2-3 questions. One was, provision for taxation has increased, and your foreign exchange earnings has increased from 6.99 lakhs to 185.14, which is very much appreciated. And what is the present for the next for present 6 months? And sir, MD sir, and Nikhil ji, I have only one request from all of shareholders to you. Like, many companies, they give discount coupon like Bata and many companies. I request, since my son is in Bangalore, you have 3-4 projects, iTech Park, BTM, Yashwantpur. You should think of offering some discount to shareholders also. I support all the resolution, and at the end, I would like to thank your share department, who is very fast in responding to all queries. Thank you and all the best. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Ankur, you may now play one video which is received from a shareholder.
चेयरमैन साहब, अन्य मेरे सभी डायरेक्टर भाई, आप सभी को मेरा सादर नमस्कार। मेरा नाम आशा लता माहेश्वर। चेयरमैन साहब, बहुत समय हो गया आपसे मिले हुए, बात किए हुए। आप तो मिलते ही बहुत कम थे। मैं यही कहूंगी, बहुत अच्छा, बहुत इच्छा थी आपसे मिलने की इस बार मेरी। आपका मुस्कुराता हुआ चेहरा जब देखा तो ऐसे लगता था जैसे त्योहार का दिन आ गया। आपके चेहरे की चमक के सामने आसमान का पूरा चांद भी आधा लगता है। आपका फोटो देखा हमने, बैलेंस शीट पढ़ी तो दुख हुआ कि इस बार आपकी काफी लॉसेस है, पर ये सब तो कोविड की वजह से है ज्यादा करके। इसके लिए उम्मीद करते हैं कि ये आता साल कंपनी के लिए अच्छा होगा। बस मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप हौसले रखें, क्योंकि हौसले भी किसी हकीम से कम नहीं होते। इस तकलीफ में ताकत की दवा देते हैं और वो हकीम साहब आपको दे रहे हैं। आपने इतने बुरे वक्त में भी डिविडेंड दिया चेयरमैन साहब, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। बहुत धन्यवाद आपको देती हूँ और उम्मीद करते हैं आपका रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस अच्छा हो पाएगा। बस यही मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि बुरा वक्त हमेशा नहीं रहता है और अच्छा वक्त भी जल्दी आ जाएगा आपका। और ये जो बुरा वक्त है, एक तिजोरी होती है, यहाँ में सफलता के इतिहास मिलते हैं। आप हिम्मत रखिए। और चेयरमैन साहब, हिम्मत रखना बहुत जरूरी होता है। हिम्मत रखते हैं तो आगे बहुत अच्छा होता है। मैं यहाँ अरुण अग्रवाल जी की सराहना करूंगी, जो बहुत अच्छी इन्वेस्टर सर्विस दे रही है। उन्हें मेरा बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद है और आप सबको भी मेरा दिल से इतनी दुआएं हैं कि जितना आसमान में तारे हैं उससे भी लंबी उम्र भगवान आपको दे। स्ट्रांगली सपोर्ट मैं करती हूँ आज के समय को देखते हुए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देती हूँ।
Mr. Ankur, Preeti Seth has joined now. If she wants to speak, you can take her.
Miss Preeti Seth, please unmute yourself. Miss Preeti Seth, please unmute yourself.
If she is not doing, then can we go further?
Sir, we have completed the list of speaker shareholders.
Okay. So I request Chairman Sir to take the meeting further, please.
I now request Mr. Chetan Salarka, CFO, to give replies, clarification to the shareholder.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Good afternoon to all the respected Board of Directors and the dear shareholders. To give the response to the query raised by the shareholders. I would like to inform you regarding the COVID impact on our fellow staff members. We have 8 members got affected. However, luckily, safe and healthy now. Regarding the FSRU business activity, as Mr. Swan has explained, we are targeting to start the operational of the project by March 2022. The first full year of operation of 2023. In respect of the query raised regarding what will be the first mover advantage. As you are aware, we have a tie-up for the 90% capacity with the PSU. That will give us an upfront advantage, and we will be having the business operation right from the first year itself. In respect of the reality division, we would like to say we are just concentrating on one project which is coming up in residential project in Gujarat, Bangalore. Otherwise, we are waiting and time to at least develop other land parcels. Regarding the increase from 10%, definitely we also would like to increase this, provided the permits. Once we have this project operational, FSRU project operational, we will review this and then take this forward. One question regarding guarantee issued to DIE. We would like to that once, since we have taken the position of the FSRU, this guarantee is no more valid. It's closed now. In respect of the total debt taken from the bankers for this project, is on date, is on August 81, SLPL, that is Swan LNG, has taken 1,232 crore loan, and the tribe offshore, the balance is 1,283 crore rupees. We are not planning to sell off the textile division as of today, and in respect of the one question, the damage due to these cyclones, though the process is under process, assessment is going on. However, we are expecting to damage from the insurance coverage, so there will not be any impact on the overall cost of the project. I think I have tried to at least cover all the points. One question was respecting private limited company. We are exploring a possibility to enter into this business also. But as on date, there is no business activity undertaken in this company. Foreign exchange aspect of the revenue for the ship with especially which is we have given on charter. The income comes under foreign currency, as well as we also have export business under textile division. Right, I think I have covered all the questions. However, if you have any further question, you can mail it to us. We will reply you back in detail. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Very much, sir.
I will now move all the 5 resolutions for agenda item number 1 to 5 as set out in the notice convening 113th AGM. The company has received intimations from shareholders proposing and seconding the respective resolutions, which will accordingly be recorded in the minutes. Agenda item number 1. Adoption of IND as compliant financial statements standalone and consolidated for the year ended 31st March 2021. I request members to permit me that to take the ordinary resolution for item number 1 as read, proposed and seconded. Agenda item number 2, declaration of dividend. I request members to permit me to take the ordinary resolution for the item number 2 as read, proposed and seconded. Agenda item number 3, the appointment of Mr. Paresh V. Merchant as director, retiring by rotation. I request members to permit me to take the ordinary resolution for item number 3 as read, proposed and seconded. Agenda item number 4, ratification of cost auditors remuneration. I request member to permit me to take the ordinary resolution for item number 4 as read, proposed and seconded. Agenda item number 5, raising of capital. Request members to permit me to take the special resolution for item number 5 as read, proposed and seconded. Those members who have still not cast their vote through e-voting are requested to cast their votes through e-voting facility, which will be available for 15 minutes after the conclusion of the AGM. I further declare that the results of the e-voting shall be presented by the scrutinizer within 2 days from today to me as the chairman of the meeting, and accordingly I shall declare the results thereafter. Those results shall be displayed at the website of NSE, CSC, NSDL and the company. The company has appointed Mr. Jignesh Pandya, practicing company secretary, as scrutinizer for the entire process of e-voting. I further declare that the meeting shall be deemed to be concluded after I declare results of the e-voting as chairman of the meeting within 2 working days from today.
I propose a hearty vote of thanks to the chairman.
The online proceedings of 113th AGM stands concluded. However, as declared by Chairman Sir, the 113th AGM shall be deemed to be concluded after the chairman declares the results of e-voting.
Thank you to everybody who has participated.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
All the best.
Arun sir, the meeting end time is taken as 12:08 and the e-voting end time will be taken as 12:23.
12:08 and 12:23. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you all.
Sir,
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
sir,
Thank
shall
you.
we end
Thank
the
you.
live
Bye.
streaming?
Sorry?
Arun sir, shall we end the live streaming of the meeting?
Yeah, you can end. Yes.
Brother.
Thank you.